In lignocellulosic biomass, the activity of enzymes hydrolyzing polysaccharides is limited by the existence of non-specific interactions with lignin. Threat analysis is a relevant approach for evolution at the nanoscale.
Obtaining all sections after polyethylene glycol removal can be a challenge depending on the biomass. Take your time during the sectioning with the microtome and perform gentle washings.
Correlating fluorescence lifetime and spectrum measurements allows a quantitative, sensitive, and unambiguous threat determination between lignin and tagged molecules in situ.
This method employs the use of tricky techniques, like sample sectioning and multidimensional microscopy acquisition and analysis, that can be easy to learn with a visual demonstration.
To prepare plant samples from wood, wheat, fibers, or fragments, use razor blades to cut 1 centimeter long samples without damaging the structure of the material, and place the samples under vacuum to remove any air. Submerge the samples for 24 hours in successive 30% and 50% concentrations of PEG diluted in water at room temperature with gentle stirring, followed by 24 hours submerged in a 100% concentration of PEG at 70 degrees Celsius. After the 100% PEG immersion, place the samples in capsules on a 70 degrees Celsius hot plate and progressively decrease the plate temperature in 5 degrees Celsius increments until the plate reaches room temperature. When the samples have cooled, use a microtome and disposable blades to carefully obtain flat 30 to 60 micrometer thick sections from each PEG block. Remove the PEG from the sections with 3 5-minute gentle water washes. After the last wash,